In this video, we are going to learn how to solve these JAMB economics problems under factors of production. So we are going to focus on the subtopic wages. So we have 11 repeated questions to practice with for this subtopic. Let's get started. The first question I have here says the amount of money income received by workers for their services in production is. We have nominal wages, surplus, real wages, quasi rent. So the right answer is option A, which is nominal wages. Very important. The next repeated question is this one. It says the price paid for labor services is we have salary rate, wage rate, income rate, commission rate. The right answer is option B, which is wage rate. Okay, next question is this one. It says a valid explanation for wage growth is an increase in the rate of productivity, an increase in the quantity of labor, a contraction of employment in service industries, the rising cost of capital accumulation. So the right answer to this question is option A, which is an increase in the rate of productivity. Okay, so that's a valid explanation for real wage growth. Next question is this one. It says the factor of production that has the highest degree of mobility is. We have entrepreneurship, labor, capital, land. The right answer is option B, which is labor. Very important. Next question is this one. It says if wage rate is less than the average revenue product, the firms would be earning. We have super normal profit, loss, higher revenue. The right answer is option A, which is super normal profit. Next question is this one. It says a valid explanation for real wage growth is. I think I've already answered this question. The right answer to this question is option B, which is an increase in rate of productivity growth. Okay, so that's it for this question. The next question will be this one. It says wages are to some extent determined by we have marginal productivity of labor, total output of labor, we have average utility of labor, marginal utility of labor. The right answer is option A, marginal productivity of labor. Okay, very important. The next question is this one. It says when a worker earns more than the wage just sufficient to keep him in his job, the excess income is called. We have transfer earnings, and economic rent, surplus value, and opportunity cost. So the right answer to this question is option B, which is an economic rent. Okay, next question is this one. It says the amount of money income received by workers for their services in production is. And so you can avoid the answer to this question is option D, which is nominal wages. Okay, next question is this one. It says wages are to some extent determined by I've also answered this question. These are repeated questions. Marginal productivity of labor. That's the right answer. The last question before I end this video is this one. It says the money paid per hour for work done is. We have wage rate, bonus, salary, costs. So the right answer is option A, which is wage rate. So guys, this basically can deal with problems under wages as a subtopic in factors of production. We practice with 11 repeated questions for this subtopic. Hope you learned something interesting in the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more on this video. Also like, share, and comment on this video. Let me know how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding the things I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave a question at the comment section below, and I'll be sure to give you a response. Also ensure that part of the channel membership by clicking on the join button. You'll be getting premium information that help you to extend your SNE exams like the JAMB and other SNE exams you'll be writing. Okay, so having known this, click on the screen above, and I will see you in next video. Thanks for watching.